What?
I learned how to ride my bicycle.
OK， 我们可不可以看你骑脚踏车
Which guy's park?
？Right there, across the street.
Oh, because I saw like another rap horse like swing by that way. You should see me like waving.
Another like electric blue, beautiful piece of art. Yeah.
But guess what? We had to go like walk over here.
Hey, did you see the engagement footage?
Of?
Not the engagement, the shower party.
Yes, thank you very much.
Couldn't take that much.
Well, 16 minutes worth, right? About 16 minutes worth?
I don't know. I took it until like it said like no more memory.
Yeah, 16 minutes worth. I think figure if you can't capture it in 16 minutes, you can't capture it. So it's good.
I didn't know how much memory you had, so I was like,
Yeah.
oh. I didn't even get any of her opening presents or anything.
Okay, okay. Well, 16 minutes is good. Okay, let's see.